Today I'm going to show you this everyday wear inspired by the new Spider-Verse movie. Hello my beautiful nerdy people, it's your girl Teea Jeanne, and today I'm going to show you some makeup inspired by the new Spider-Verse movie. So we'll be focusing only on your eyes. Taking NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to use this as a base on my eye and smooth it out with my fingers. With NYX's Ultimate Shadow Palette, I'll be taking this crimson red color and I will use it all over my eyelid. Back to the same palette, I'll be taking this darker reddish pink color to use in the corner of my eyes to add some depth. With this darker blue shadow, I'm going to use this on the underline of my eyes. Taking NYX's Love You So Mochi, I'm taking this white eyeshadow to add some shine over my eyelids. Going back to NYX's Jumbo Pencil in white, I'm going to use that in the corners of my eyes to brighten them up a little bit more. To line my eyes, I'm using Absolute New York's Nano Liner. With this torture device, I'm going to curl my lashes. And of course, mascara by Maybelline in Mega Plush. With Revlon's Color Burst Sultry Matte Balm, I'm going to take a brush and just put a light coat of it over my lips. There you have it, guys, an everyday makeup you can wear in inspiration of the new Spider-Verse movie. Thank you all so much for watching, and remember, add Dishes and Stitches for putting the confidence back into cosplay.